I am so pleased that you are here with us today to join me in finally cutting the ribbon to our official open of our Pharmapreneurs Farm and recognizing 2 recently named spaces in Pharmacy Hall and to announce our newly appointed Felix G. Professor in Pharmapreneurship. The farm, which was made possible by donor support, is a collaborative meeting space equipped with state-of-the-art technology that allows for presentations and demonstrations both in person as well as virtually. It has a smaller seating area and a private space for thinking, planning, as well as creating. Pharmapreneurship puts a name on the unprecedented opportunity and unique experiences we have in igniting creativity, confidence, and fearlessness to empower our faculty, students, and our staff to be critical thinkers and problem solvers. In 2021, the School of Pharmacy continues to make strides in improving how education, research, and healthcare are delivered. With our cutting-edge research initiatives and innovative clinical services, the school fosters an unparalleled environment that both values as well as nurtures pharmapreneurship among our faculty and students alike.
UMSOP has provided me with a strong foundation to become a pharmapreneur, which is distinct focus of study that only our school provides in the nation. It is my honor to be recognized by the school and the Pharmapreneurship program.
It is my pleasure to recognize Dr. Magali Rodriguez de Bittner as the Felix G. Endowed Memorial Professor in Pharmapreneurship.
For me, it's truly an honor to be the recipient of this professorship. We have a lot of potential to change healthcare, to change the problems we have with medications and the problems that we have with chronic diseases.
I'm excited to officially cut the ribbon and open the farm for everyone to see and use it.